Welcome to this video. We are going to look at the volume of spheres, skills practice and practice, page 737 and 738. Again, I'm not going to have the questions on the screen. Please use your photocopies. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you here. Let's get started. So we're starting out on page 737. And our question is a word problem question, or the question is presented in words. So the first thing they tell me is that the radius is 9 centimeters. I know that the volume of a sphere is equal to 4 over 3 pi r cubed. So that means I'm just going to plug that r in. Pi, didn't have to put that in brackets, 9 cubed. Okay, calculator. 4 over 3 times pi. R is 9, and I'm going to cube that one to the power of 3. 3053.63. 3053.63 centimeters cubed. Question number 2. The diameter is equal to 10 inches, which means that the radius is equal to 5 inches. Volume is equal to 4 over 3 pi r cubed. So that's 4 over 3 pi 5 inches cubed. And that gives me, I'm going to try and just go back on my calculator, change that 9 to 5. 523.598, which means it's 523.60. 523.60 inches cubed. Question number 3, they're telling me that the circumference is equal to 26 meters. Okay, why is this relevant, or how does this play in? We need to know that circumference is equal to 2 pi r. Okay, so if I say that 26 centimeters is equal to 2 pi r, I can divide both sides by 2, and I can say that that's 13 centimeters is equal to pi r, and then I divide both sides by pi. So I'm going to say 13 divided by pi, which means my r is 4.12. R equals 4.12. Okay, now that I have r, I can go volume is equal to 4 over 3 pi r cubed. 4 over 3 pi 4.12 cubed. And that's going to give me, let's go, yep, 4 over 3 pi times r. My r is the answer. I'm going to put just answer from my calculator. Close that, and I cube it. That's giving me 296.80. 296.80. 296.80. The unit here is meters cubed. Okay, that is question number 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's go to 4. 4, they're saying the radius is of a hemisphere. The radius is equal to 7 feet, and I'm dealing with a half of a circle. Okay, since I'm dealing with half of a circle, I know it's half of the volume is equal to a half of 4 over 3 pi r cubed. So that means I want to figure out the volume. It's going to be, you can keep it the way that it is. Okay, let's keep it the way that it is, just in this question. And then my r is 7, and I cube that. And I'm going to go to my calculator, and I am going to input. Let's do this. 1 over 2 times 4 over 3 times pi times 7 cubed. That gives me 718.78. 0.38, 718.38, 718.38 feet cubed. Question number 5. Diameter of a half a circle is 12 kilometers, and it's half of a circle. So that means my volume, half of the volume of a circle is half 4/3 pi r cubed, which is half 4/3 pi 12. No, 12 is the diameter. So my radius now becomes 6 kilometers. And I cube that. Go to my calculator, and I am simply going to, no, that's not where I want to be. Where am I? I'm lost. That's what I want. Okay, so I'm going to change that 7 to a 6. 452.39. 452.39. 452.39 kilometers cubed. Question number 6 says the circumference of a hemisphere. The circumference is equal to 48 yards. Now I know that 48 yards must be equal to 2 pi r. Divide both sides by 2 pi. So my radius is going to be equal to 48 divided by 2 pi, 7.64. 7.64. Now, this is a hemisphere, which means it's half of the volume of a circle, which is a half, times 4/3 pi r cubed. And that becomes 1/2 times 4/3 times pi times 7.64 cubed. Let's go to our calculator and go up 1. And this one, let's see if I press answer. 7.6, that's exactly what I want. That gives me a total of 933.78. 933.78. 933.78 yards cubed. There we go. Okay, question 7 is next. This is an image, and on the image I have a diameter of 16.2 centimeters, which means my radius is equal to 8.1 centimeters. Volume is equal to 4/3 times pi r cubed, which is 4/3 pi 8.1 cubed. 4/3 pi, open bracket, 8.1, close bracket, cubed. 6.09, 6.09 centimeters cubed. Question 8, again, full circle, diameter equals 94.8 feet. Radius is half of that. So let's say 94.8 divided by 2, 47.4, 47.4 feet. Volume is equal to 4/3 pi r cubed, which is equal to 4/3 pi 47.4 cubed, which is equal to, go up 1, and we're going to change this to 47.4. 446,091, 18 feet cubed. Question number 9. It's a hemisphere. So radius is equal to 4.5 inches. Half of the volume of a circle is equal to half times 4/3 pi r cubed, which is equal to. Now, if we were to do arithmetic here, we'd cancel this out, make that 1 and make that 2, which means I end up with 2/3. Just FYI, you can keep it the way it was because the calculator can still do it. But just wanted to point that out, 4.5 inches cubed, and that gives us, on the calculator, let's find one like that. Okay, so we are going to remove that, input 4.5, and we get an answer of 190,85. 190,85 inches cubed. And the last one on this page, question number 10. Again, hemisphere. Diameter equals 14.4 meters, which means radius is equal to 7.2 meters. Half of the volume is equal to half of 4/3 pi r cubed, which is equal to 2/3 pi 7.2 cubed. And that in our calculator becomes, again, I'm just going to change this to 7.2, 781.73. 781.73 meters cubed. Okay, that is the end of page 737. I hope it was clear. If you have any questions, please let me know and I will do my best to answer them. Otherwise, click on the like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.